Welcome to Mac Durgesh, and today we will be learning how to create an IRCTC account to start booking tickets online. So without wasting any time, let us start with the procedure. Simply type irctc.co.in in your search box and make sure you type the exact spelling so that the first link that appears on your Google web page, simply click on that link, and here is the IRCTC web page. Very small letters, it's written sign up in that blue link. Click on sign up to create a new account, and as soon as you click, you will find a registration form which is asking to create your user ID. You can create your own unique user ID by simply writing your name along with some more alphabets. I suggest adding a prefix in front of your name instead of a suffix so that you get a unique username and your username does not matches with some previous user IDs. You can click on check availability to see if any similar username exists like that of yours. Now choose a password. Now maintaining a standard format is very important. So how to maintain that standard format, you can read the instructions in the bracket, or if you don't understand, this is the format of the password in front of you. You can simply read this. I have explained it. You can pause this video and see how I am creating this password. Once you have created your password and your user ID, you have almost done 80% of your difficult job, and now it's very simple to proceed with. If you think your password may get leaked, so you can read this, what will happen in case your password gets leaked. Once you have created your password, enter the passwords correctly in both these boxes. Select a security question. Now I prefer selecting a difficult question but giving a simple answer which I will remember, because we tend to give difficult answers and then we forget. So make sure you're giving a difficult question but a simple answer to it. Select your preferred language as English. Now in this block you have to enter your personal details like your first name, your last name, your middle name, date of birth, your gender, and whether you're married or not. Now even if you enter wrong data, it does not matter, but you have to fill in those columns which are given with the red star mark. So wherever you find a red star mark, make sure that you are filling that form, filling that block, because if you don't fill it, the form will reappear again and again. Now this is very important. You have to enter a valid mobile number and a valid email ID. By valid I mean that you should have access to your mobile number and you should have access to your email ID as well. So this is another important column, entering the flat number. After a lot of failures, I have found that if you simply enter 123 space 45, whatever I am entering here is totally wrong. I suggest you to simply write 123 space 45, because if you write this, your form will get submitted in the first go itself. So after a lot of trials, I have come to a final conclusion that you simply enter 123 space 45 and your form will get submitted. So other information, your address details, it's not very compulsory, so but selecting your country, your pin code is very essential, so make sure you are filling all those information. Enter your pin code. Again I'll be saying that flat number, you simply write 123 space 45, otherwise the form will reappear, and how to write, but I'm making the task simpler for you. Simply write 123 space 45. Select other information. Very compulsory to give an optional landline number. Once you think that you have completed all the information, you can simply click on submit registration form. Now if you have missed any values, a pop-up like this will appear where it will be saying that you have missed this block, please enter that value. So make the required changes and once again submit the registration form. Now once you have successfully done this, these two dialog boxes will appear in front of you. Click on OK. This page will appear if you have filled all the data correctly and you have not missed any block. Here is a green link to activate your account. Click on that green link to activate your account. This is the web page of IRCTC. You should be familiar with it now. Enter your user ID and your password which you have created in that form. So after entering your user ID and password, simply click on login. Oops. So this is very important. You have to still verify your email ID and your mobile number. So for that, log into your email which you have entered. Now you cannot simply get away with a wrong mobile number and an email ID. Given accurate information, you can log into your email account. And you should find an IRCTC message. In this message there is a link to activate my account along with your name and your user ID. Your password is not mentioned here, so you should have written down the password if in case you forget it. So here is a blue link which is asking for to click here to log into your account. So you should click on it, and once you click on it, you will be getting redirected to the IRCTC web page, where once again you will have to enter your user ID and your password. Enter the given captcha and click on login. Once you click login, now this kind of page will appear where it will be saying that your mobile number and your email ID is not verified. So to verify your mobile number, click on verify mobile number with OTP, and now an OTP will be sent to the mobile number that you have filled during the registration process. You are not supposed to fill any random mobile number of your choice. No, the OTP has already been sent to the mobile number which you have entered during your registration process. So simply enter that OTP here and click on submit. As soon as you submit, your mobile number will be verified. So on the next page, your mobile number is verified, your email ID is still not verified. So now to verify your email ID, another OTP has been sent to your email ID as well. So log into your email account, open it and check whether you have an OTP. Yes, so here it is, an activation OTP code from IRCTC. So your OTP will be written here. Simply copy this OTP and paste here. Yours will be a little bit different, mine is different. So once you enter your OTP, you simply submit it, and then you will see that your mobile number and your email has now been verified successfully. So you can congratulate yourself, because now you are a registered IRCTC customer, and from now on you can start booking tickets online. So log in with your email ID and password once again, the final time to start booking tickets. And watch my another video where I have explained how you can book those tickets along with a live example and with some tips. Here is the link for that. You can find the link in the description box.